My name is Dr. K. Senthilkumar, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce, Kamadin Arts and Science College, Satyamangalam. I am going to discuss about the types of accounts. In the main recording of the books of accounts is a preparation of the journal entries. After that, the journal entry will be posted into the concern account is called ledger accounts. While preparing the journal entries, we have to follow the golden rules of the accounts. So, to apply the golden rules, we would like to know what are the types of accounts are available, which rules is applicable for the types of accounts. The first one is the personal account. The personal account, which means deals with person, firms, companies, and artificial person. These are called the personal accounts. While the company is dealing with the any company, any firm, any debtor, any creditor is called a personal account. The golden rule for the personal account is the debit the receiver, credit the giver. While giving any amount, we have to treat it as a receiver. That amount will be debited. Then any amount is given to any person, that account should be credited. This is the first rule of the accounting, which is applicable to the personal account. Then another one is the real account. The real account is dealt with assets. What are the types of available in the business is plant and machinery, land and building, cash, then etc. The real account may be treated as a tangible real accounts and intangible real accounts. The intangible real accounts, example for goodwill, patent, copyright, trade. These are treated as a intangible real accounts. The golden rules for the real account is debit what comes in, credit goes out. For example, the purchase of the plant and machinery. In this case, the plant and machinery is come into the business. So the plant and machinery will be debited. The situation, the cash is going to out. So here the cash would be credited. This is a real account. So in other words, the real account is treated as a deals with assets and properties of the business. Then another one of the types of account is a nominal accounts. The nominal accounts means just like a name, which is given for the some accounts that is called nominal accounts. The nominal accounts deals with incomes, gains, expenses, losses. For example, excess expenses will be salary account, rent account, custom duty, carriage inwards, carriage outwards, selling and distribution expenses, commission, discount, wages, convenience, traveling expenses. These are called the expenses of the nominal account. The another one is the gains, interest received, dividend received. Then these are called the gains of the business. So another one is the losses. Losses means any amount of loss incurred while selling of the asset. This is called the losses. The rules for the nominal account is debit all the expenses and the losses of the business, credit all the incomes and gains of the business. For example, salary paid to the manager. Here, the salary account will be debited, the manager account will be credited. So, these called the nominal accounts of the business. So, once again, the golden rule is a personal account, real account, and nominal account. The golden rules for the personal account will be debit the receiver, credit the giver. The golden rules for the nominal account will be debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Then another one is the real account. The golden rule for the real account will be debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.